Another Santa? Yeah?
This Santa.
Okay, we'll do it on this piece right here.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Push. Okay.
Kitty wants some dinner.
Wow. Kitty wants in. Look. Okay. Another Santa. Okay. What about the Christmas tree? Do the Christmas tree?
Yeah. With this.
Okay, can you push it down?
Yeah.
Push it. Push it. Push it. Okay.
Oops. Stuck.
We're gonna get it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Careful with these. He said, ho, ho, ho.
Merry Christmas! Okay, we have to get our dough back together
Yeah.
so that we can
Roll it out.
roll it out again, right?
Yeah, roll it out. Can I? Please.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It doesn't stick together very well. There's so much flour.
Roll it. Roll it.
Roll.
Roll it.
Roll. Just like you do with your Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
You got flowers on your hand? Flour on your hand? Okay. Which one do you want to do? Angel?
Yeah, angel.
Okay, do it all the way up there. Okay. Push it, push it, push it. Okay.
An angel.
An angel.
Be careful with these. They are amazing. Now it's feet. Now it's feet. An angel. Put it here.
Okay, don't push it. Okay, which one do you want to do next? The bell?
Yeah, the bell.
Okay.
This is the bell.
There's two different kinds of bells.
Ding, ding.
Okay.
Dad, there's an M&M.
Okay.
We're making cookies. And bell. Ding, ding, ding. Cheese. Cheese. Now.
Okay, we're going to roll it out one more time. I think we can make one more cookie. I think
What?
we can do the train. Choo-choo train.
Choo choo choo. Tacky tacky.